Imagine a city larger than London, more advanced than most of the world, powered by genius engineering. And then it vanished. This is the story of Angkor, the greatest city you've probably never heard of. Centuries ago, deep in what is now Cambodia, Angkor was the heart of a powerful empire. We're talking massive stone temples, intricate water systems, and roads and reservoirs planned with a precision that was centuries ahead of its time. The famous Angkor wasn't just a temple. It was a breathtaking symbol of humanity's control over nature itself. But even the greatest power has a weakness. Angkor's entire existence depended on water. A brilliant network of canals and reservoirs captured the monsoon rains, nourishing the fields and sustaining a massive population. This system was their strength, but it became their downfall. The climate began to shift. Unpredictable, intense monsoons brought devastating floods that wrecked their irrigation systems and destroyed crops. These floods were followed by severe, prolonged droughts that left the city starving. Food became scarce. The empire, once mighty, started to crumble from within. There was no epic final battle, no invading army that brought Angkor to its knees. There was just silence. People began to abandon their homes, leaving the once bustling city for more fertile lands. One by one, the houses emptied. The magnificent temples were left standing alone, monuments to a forgotten glory. And then, the jungle came. Silently, patiently, nature began to reclaim its territory. Giant tree roots cracked through ancient stone walls. Vines wrapped themselves around towering spires, pulling them down piece by piece. For hundreds of years, Angkor disappeared from the world's memory, hidden beneath a thick blanket of green. When explorers finally rediscovered it centuries later, they didn't just find ruins. They found a powerful lesson. They saw that even the most advanced civilizations can fall when the delicate balance with nature is broken. They learned that when pride replaces wisdom, and when complex systems become too fragile, collapse is inevitable. The story of Angkor is a timeless reminder that true, lasting progress can't exist without humility. If this story opened your eyes to a forgotten world, subscribe to our channel for more epic tales from history. Hit that like button, turn on notifications, and let me know in the comments. What do you think is the biggest threat to a great civilization? Enemies from the outside or problems from within? Thanks for watching.